Hey everyone, welcome back to Travel Vet. If you love cruising or are planning your next adventure on the high seas, you'll want to stick around for today's video. We're diving into the 7 things that are banned from cruise ships starting in 2025. You know, it's interesting. You think about it, a cruise ship is basically a floating city. And just like any city, they gotta have rules, right? So get ready to learn about the stuff you gotta leave on dry land because we're about to set sail. First up, let's talk about large coolers. We all know how tempting it can be to pack your own snacks and drinks for a cruise. But cruise lines are now banning large coolers for several important reasons. Firstly, large coolers can take up a significant amount of space in your cabin. Cruise ship cabins aren't exactly the Taj Mahal, so space is at a premium. Plus, navigating the crowded pool deck with a giant cooler can be a safety hazard. Secondly, maintaining cleanliness is a top priority for cruise lines. Big coolers attract crumbs, spills, and who knows what else. By limiting the size of coolers, cruise lines can better control the cleanliness and hygiene of the ship. So pack light. Instead of a large cooler, consider a small insulated bag for a few snacks or drinks. Enjoy the culinary experiences on board and leave the cooler at home. Number 2 on our list is drones. While capturing breathtaking aerial views is exciting, drones are now banned on cruise ships. Safety is a major concern. Drones can malfunction or lose signal, leading to potential crashes. And let's not forget, you're on a ship in the middle of the ocean. Losing your drone overboard? Good luck getting that back. Privacy is another pressing issue. Many passengers may not feel comfortable being filmed without their consent. Cruise lines want to ensure that everyone on board feels secure and respected. So, leave the drone at home and enjoy the stunning views from the deck. There are plenty of opportunities to take amazing photos and videos without a drone. Plus, you can soak in the breathtaking scenery while relaxing with a drink in hand. Trust me, the memories you create will be just as special. Coming in at number 3, we have non-approved electrical appliances. This includes items like toasters, kettles, and other personal cooking devices. While it might be tempting to bring your own appliances, cruise lines are enforcing a strict ban for safety reasons. Non-approved electrical appliances can pose significant fire hazards. Cruise ships have specific electrical systems designed for the appliances provided on board. Introducing personal devices can overload circuits, leading to potential fires. The confined space of a ship makes any fire risk particularly dangerous. Stick to the appliances provided by the cruise line, such as coffee makers or mini fridges. And don't forget to explore the diverse dining options available on board. There's something for every palate, allowing you to indulge without the hassle of cooking in your room. At number 4, we have certain types of alcohol. Most cruise lines have specific policies that limit the amount of alcohol you can carry with you. One of the main reasons for these restrictions is to ensure the safety and comfort of all passengers. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to unruly behavior, disrupting the experience for others. By controlling the amount of alcohol brought onto the ship, cruise lines aim to maintain a pleasant atmosphere. Many cruise lines require that any alcohol you bring must be in its original packaging. This policy helps the crew monitor what's being brought on board and ensures compliance with safety regulations. Before you pack that bottle, check your cruise line's specific policy regarding alcohol. Some lines may allow a limited amount of wine or champagne for special occasions. Plan ahead and familiarize yourself with the rules to avoid any surprises at embarkation. There are plenty of bars and lounges on board where you can enjoy a wide selection of drinks, ensuring you have a fantastic time without any hassle. Number 5 is a no-brainer: weapons and sharp objects. This includes knives, scissors, and any other objects that could potentially be used as a weapon. Cruise lines prioritize the safety and security of all passengers and crew members. The presence of weapons or sharp objects can pose a significant risk. Incidents involving weapons can escalate quickly, leading to dangerous situations. Cruise lines implement rigorous security measures during the boarding process. If any prohibited items are found, they will be confiscated. To ensure a smooth embarkation process, it's best to leave these items at home. Instead, focus on packing essentials that will enhance your cruise experience. If you're planning on engaging in activities that might require specific tools, check with your cruise line in advance. For the safety of everyone on board, it's crucial to adhere to the rules regarding weapons and sharp objects. By doing so, you can enjoy your cruise without any worries and focus on making unforgettable memories. For having to worry about food safety. And last but not least, number 7 on our list of banned items is exotic animals. Yes, you heard that right. Some people think bringing their pet monkey or snake on a cruise is a good idea. Spoiler alert, it's not. Cruise lines are cracking down on passengers attempting to sneak on their furry, scaly, or feathered friends. Imagine the chaos of hundreds of animals running amok on a ship. It'd be like Noah's Ark gone wild. Dogs chasing cats, parrots squawking, monkeys swinging from the chandeliers. And let's not forget about the potential for allergic reactions. Not everyone loves animals as much as we do, and some people have severe allergies. Bringing exotic animals on board poses a serious health risk. These animals could be carrying diseases that are harmful to humans. So, as tempting as it may be to bring your beloved pet along, it's best to leave them safe and sound at home. So, there you have it, folks. The 7 things you'll want to leave on dry land before embarking on your next cruise adventure. Remember, these rules are in place for a reason, to ensure the safety, security, and overall enjoyment of all passengers and crew. By following these guidelines, you can sit back, relax, and make the most of your time on the high seas. Pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready for a fantastic cruise vacation. Until next time, happy travels, and please don't forget to subscribe.